Hi, this is Ophelia Wang from Caring Nature. So today I want to give a quick tip about negative self-talk. And the reason why I'm inspired to give this little talk is in the last week, there are several people coming and asking about what do I do? I have those constant negative self-talk in my head. I always think negatively. I cannot stop it. What should I do? Does that happen to you as well? So here is one simple thing you could do by yourself. Okay, here's a little container. As you can see, this is not very big, just a tiny little container. What I would like you to do is every time when you have a negative thought in your mind, a negative idea, for example, I have a bad day today, just write down the opposite of that sentence in your head. So in this case, I have a bad day. The opposite of this would be, I have a great day. So grab a pen, write down on a tiny little piece of paper, I have a great day. Put that little paper into this container. So you do this every single time when a negative idea, negative thought comes to your mind. Just as an exercise, practice, write down just the opposite of that sentence. I have a bad day, turning into I have a great day. I don't like my work, turning into I love my job. Or I feel super low energy, I am energetic. It doesn't matter whether or not that opposite sentence is true. Just write it down, the opposite. Put it in this container. When a little container is full, it doesn't have to be very big, just a small container. When the small container is full, reward yourself. Give yourself a treat, like a bag of your favorite snacks, a movie day with a friend, a meal that you love, anything that you enjoy to reward yourself. Then after you reward yourself, empty out this container and start over again. Whenever there's a negative self-talk, write down the opposite of it. Fill up the container again, refill yourself again, reward yourself. Continue to practice this on your day-to-day, everyday life. You could do it as many times a day as you want, just whenever negative idea, negative self-talk comes into your mind. And the reason why we encourage you to practice a little tip is this is to help you to rethink in a different way. And this is helping you to go towards positive mindset, positive thinking. It takes practice. It takes practice to train your brain to redirect how your mind goes, how your brain goes, how your brain's response signal go to think and feel differently. The more often you practice to talk and think differently, the more you will find out that the more frequently you are feeling better, because how you think and talk and how you feel are all connected. This is one whole system. And this is why in the Caring Nature system, we work on a holistic approach from body to mind. Okay, here's a small tip of today with a small container, how to turn negative self-talk into positive thinking. Have a great day. Bye-bye.